order to do this, you need a T15. There's 1, 2. Okay, so in order to do that, it's 3 screws, T15, and it almost, let's see how it comes out. It just comes right out. So there you go, and you can see I got my new console here after a little bit of a wait, but they had to hunt to find it. So I'm guessing it's easier to put it on like this. Yep. And there's kind of a latch or a little pin you have to pop in that's right here. It's really easy. Once again, it's a T15. One, two, and then one last third screw. I don't want to go too tight. It's kind of a misnomer. People tighten things as hard as they can. You can end up stripping out fasteners. That's why we have torque specs. So let's take a look. All nice and new.